Hey guys, this is Lynn from Paper Peas. Like so many of you, I have been out throughout the week picking up things for me and my family as we all prepare for what the news centers are describing and depicting as an upcoming winter storm. And in the midst of doing so, I've stopped at several stores. I'm not going to even pretend like I hadn't. And so this is going to be pretty much like a collective haul of things. One of the stores I went to was good old-fashioned Dollar Tree. Now, I'm going to show this receipt really quick. This is from the 21st, earlier this week. There were several things that I picked up. And as you can see, they were all a penny. One of the things that was most interesting to me was the eucalyptus wallpaper. I got a ton of it for a penny. Let me show you specifically, and it's still in the bag. Specifically, let me show you which one it is. It's these. Now, a lot of people, you already know what you can do with these. This is vinyl. At the end of the day, it's peel and stick. What I like to do with these is, sometimes I'm doing gift box. I like to use these to line my gift box. I like to use these as inserts for my planners, my covers, multiple things. But I got all of these for a penny. All of this for a penny. Now, some time ago, I purchased several of these at $1.25 each. And to know that I went into the store and got these for a penny, I am beyond elated. Yeah. I originally picked up one of these or a couple of these for a quarter. I went back and these are a penny. Now, I intend to do a couple of things for some teacher packs for the upcoming year. No, I won't be sharing them right now, but when I get ready to work on it, I will. And this will be a wonderful addition, especially since, well, I got this for a penny. Following suit with Stace, I found some of these pen holders. They were a penny. I only got a couple of these, but they were a penny. I got several of these quotes from the Heart book. They were a penny. These were a penny. And as I was going through the book section, there were so many other things. But just being candid, it was just so overwhelming that there were so many different books that were actually a penny. And as I've stated before, when I pick up things, I am very intentional. Even if I don't intend to use it that day or within a month, when I pick things up, I know at some point in time there's a project or something that I have in mind to use it for. And if I don't see myself getting ready to use it now, within a year, more than likely I'm going to let it stay. Okay. And so I got some of those. Needless to say, they still got a ton of stickers. They just have a ton of stickers just all over the place. Just a ton of them. Just when I say a ton of stickers, hold on. And this is what I decided to pick up. They just have a ton. Just tons and tons and tons of stickers. Rub-on transfers. You name it, they've got it. I mean, when I say tons, I mean tons and tons and tons and tons. You name it, they've got it. Now, I realize some stores are not being very cooperative in terms of allowing people to make purchases from them, but there are other stores that do. And so if the one you go to isn't being cooperative, my suggestion, go to another, okay? I say that kindly and respectfully because a penny, can't pass it up, right? All right. I'm going to slide this some way, some sort of way. I went to Ross's. No, this is my home. I went to Ross's and I found these beautiful napkins. I love napkins. I found these. These were so pretty. I found these. and I found these. Now I realize this is pretty much like a standard Valentine napkin. I don't care, it's just cute. Sometimes minimal things are even more beautiful. I like this, I got it. In a minute, I'm going to have to take and move some of these things out of the way. Each one of these packs was $5.99, okay? Then I went to HomeGoods. HomeGoods, as you know, has a sale. I got these beautiful napkins. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. I got these. These are so adorable. These were like $2. I got these beautiful napkins, Laura Ashley. I think they maybe were $2 or $3. These, they're so pretty. I got these. These are adorable. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Gorgeous napkins for the summer and spring. These are beautiful. These can be used year-round, depending upon your event or what you are working on. I do a lot of decoupaging. I do a lot of different things with napkins. Just the colors in them was just so, to me, it's relaxing, soothing, vibrant, calming. I can just see myself using this on something. Gorgeous for the summertime and spring. Just gorgeous. Got these. Another pack. Look at these lemons. Gorgeous. Again, gorgeous. These are so pretty. In fact, I think they were just putting them out. Sorry. I think they were just putting them out. Gorgeous. When I say gorgeous, pretty, gorgeous. Look at that. Look at this. Just gorgeous. Love them. I love them. I got these. Oh, these are so pretty. Right now, I'm in the process of updating my website, www.paperpiece.com. It's in the description. I'm in the process of updating my website, and I typically have offered napkin bundles. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm still going to do so, but I'm going to change the way in which I am offering them. And hopefully maybe next week, early next week, I can explain to you how you can go about finding them on my website if you decide you want to purchase them. I have so many napkins. I curate a lot of different things. I curate a lot of vintage items. I curate a lot of napkins. As you guys are starting to see more of, I make a lot of things. Sometimes I just give them away. There are certain things that I stock my stores with, my website with. I do have my website on Etsy and no. I do have my website on my own personal website, and then I do sell some things on eBay at times, but I am always curating something. As you all have come to see on my channel, I do a lot of giveaways. I do destashes. I just, and I don't have a hoarding problem. I don't have a hoarding problem. I actually specifically look for certain things because I just think that, we as crafters, our wonderful audience, are always in search of the new, the different types of things. And I just like to appeal to everybody's style. And I use them myself too. So everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune in to Paper Piece. I sent a post out earlier today. I am hoping and wishing and praying that you and your family stay as safe as possible, that you've had an opportunity to secure items that will, allow you and your household to be more operable during the prediction of the storm. Most importantly, I want you to be safe. I want you to be comfortable There's one thing about, just having our necessities, but I really hope that you are comfortable over the next few days, meaning that, you have your heat, you have your electricity, you have the means available to stay warm, and you and your family be comfortable. And, I always want you to come back and see me. I ask that you do like, share, and I hope you subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. Have a safe, wonderful, positive weekend. Take care.